What's up, guys? What I have here is this is a completely different Gen 3 Glock 30 than I had the other day. This one here has night sights. These are Trigicon night sights. Someone put this skater tape on here on the top. It's the first time I'd ever seen that before. And it's got an extended slide release, slide lock. So got a little bit more to grab a hold of there. And I figured I'd shoot the thing a little bit. I traded the other one off. The other one had the rail. This one doesn't have the rail. This one's a little bit easier to, I guess, to conceal is what they're thinking was with this model. I'm just going to have this a couple of days. I've traded this one to another gun that I'm going to go pick up tomorrow. And you'll have to wait and see what the new gun's going to be. But I've got 23 rounds left of ammo here, and I'm going to go ahead and shoot this up. And I figured I would try this one out and see if there was any discernible difference between the other Gen 3 and this one here. So go ahead and get my earplugs in and make my way down across the creek, and we'll shoot at these steel silhouettes over here. Kind of losing daylight. Seems like I'm always losing daylight when I try to make a video. Gonna shoot at 25 and 50 yards. Got a couple of different steel silhouettes set up here, and got 23 rounds. Got 23 rounds. So I'm gonna take my time and shoot at the 25. Okay, reach out to the 50 now. All right. Load these three up right quick. I'll try to get this video in as fast as I can. Okay. So now I'm at 10 and 35. 10 and 35. Thereabouts. Okay, those were 185s, and this is a 230. And I'm going to shoot at the far target. I can tell this little pistol has a little bit more snap than the other 30 that I had. Definitely has more recoil. So that's it. At least I got to shoot the thing. That's the second Glock Gen 3 30 45 ACP of the week. Thank you guys for watching.